Here he goes.
Here we go. Here we go. All right, everyone. Today we have a challenge for young JD Sanchez right here. In my hands, I possess a $15 Walmart skateboard.
No way, this was 15 bucks.
It was $15.
Wow.
Yeah, it was, seriously. This thing sucks really bad.
The graphics cool.
The graphics,
The graphics pretty sick.
But this board, from wheels to bearings to the wood to the grip tape to everything about it, sucks. Go ahead and check it out.
All right, I have a question. Can I take the plastic off?
Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold up now. So here's what we're doing today. The challenge for JD is that he must 540 the Vert Ramp on this Walmart board right here. But here's the catch. There's $100 on the line. You could win $100 if you land this 540 as it is right now. Plastic on, tags hanging, everything about it. This is the Walmart experience. $100 with all this right now as it is.
You didn't say that.
Okay?
What?
If you want to take the plastic off and all this stuff off, it's gonna cost you $5.
You can go to 95.
So the point of this challenge is that if he has to change anything about this board, he's gonna lose money. I'll let you adjust the trucks and wheels, that's free. All right, if you wanna take the plastic, the tags, those, $5. Bushings, $10. Wheels, deck, trucks, all $25 each if you wanna replace those. And bearings, I also said 25.
All right, the main thing is this tag. That's all I'm like.
Yo, we got some balloon action over there. What is going on?
I don't know why they're moving.
Bro, they moving around crazy.
Why are they moving, bro?
So just so everyone knows, I did get the approval from JD's dad. He's good to go. JD's dad said he knows what is safe.
Let's go.
Why are you trying to assassinate JD?
What are you talking about? I literally called his dad. He said, "Are you okay with it?" And I said, "What do you mean?" He said, "Are you okay with losing money?" And I said, "I guess. We lose a lot of money to him already."
So each little, even this tag is 5.
So like, if you pay $5, this plastic and all the tags come off. Everything comes off.
5 for $5?
Yeah.
I might as well just do that, right?
I mean, it's up to you.
I think that's a smart idea because that's still 95. I felt the wheels are a little slippery. The bearings aren't as bad as I thought.
All right.
Sure.
That's -5, good sir. You're at $95 that you could win.
Make sure I get every little bit.
Go ahead. Are you sure you don't want to change the trucks?
I'll try it first and then we'll see.
You sure you don't want to change the wheels just right up front?
No.
Take that total down to $70?
But at least I gotta try it so I know. If I don't know, then that's just wasting money. Let's see how this works. Damn! So slippery!
Oh my God!
This is so slippery, bro. I'm scared for my life.
Yeah, it's dangerous. Oh my! You have no speed!
I'll be $55. I say, change the wheels.
You're gonna change the wheels?
Yeah.
Is that your final decision?
Not final. I
But
might
just
change
for
some
this
more.
moment, once you change the wheels, you can't go back on it.
Yep.
All right?
Changing wheels.
You can change the wheels. You can use whatever wheels you want, but your total is now $70. Glow, he changed the wheels. He's changing them. He's down to 70. Come on, you really think I'm
You're
doing
putting
it?
the man's life at risk, pressuring him to 540 a Walmart board.
Yeah, and I'm giving him the option to make it safe for himself at the expense of the money he earns. He's still winning money. I ran it by his dad.
I don't know, bro. Situational awareness here. He's not gonna not do it.
He could have said, "That's a terrible idea. I don't want to do it." And I would have said,
No,
"All right, it's fine."
He can't.
The bearings weren't even in good. I just lifted it up and then the bearing just popped out.
You think that changing the wheels is enough for him to do it?
Of course.
You could literally press them in with your hand.
There we go. Yeah, I probably
That is
could.
sketchy.
All right. Halfway done.
Hello, Derek.
Hey.
Why do the
That looks ridiculous.
Holy, the grip kind of sucks. Can't change the grip though. I mean, you can.
I mean, you can.
I don't want
It's just gonna cost you $10.
$10? Bet. No, I'm joking. All right, let's see if this is any better. Oh, yeah! That's so fun. It was literally the wheel slowing me down. The bearings are fine.
You're gonna land it like this.
All right. think we got it with this.
You absolute hustler. I should have charged you.
Hustler, bro.
I should have charged. I should have charged him 50 for the wheels.
Well, you gotta think.
I did.
Sorry. Holy. This thing graphic does not fly. It's like paper. Oh, it is paper. It's like a sticker. There's wrinkles in the graphic. This was a big board company that would not pass. Right here. Holy! I'm going fast! Holy! That last one I turned weird.
How you looking down there, Dan? What do you think?
No idea. I don't know.
You don't know?
I think I tightened it like 1%. The bushings are annoying. It's like I think I tightened it too far to see. Look, it's like tightened one direction. See what I mean?
You change the bushings, then you're down to 60 bucks.
No.
Yeah, 25 for the wheels, 5 for the plastic, you're at 70, and minus 10, you're at 60.
Oh yeah, that's right. I didn't take away the bearings either.
Minus 5 for talking back. I'm just kidding.
No, I didn't think. Dude, I was trying to help you.
Separately.
There we go. That's what I was looking for. Front side again.
He's gonna land the 540 like this, Dan. He's gonna win 70 bucks.
This might be my new favorite board, bro. It's just so light. Feel how light this is.
Ooh.
That was steezy and lit, as Gabe would say.
Split.
Slit.
You could triple flip Indy that.
Maybe.
Uzi, I never see you looking more joyful than when you watch him skate vert.
Nah, that heel flip thing, I think it was a heel flip, right? Yeah, that was crazy.
Like, I've never seen Uzi look like a proud dad more than when JD skates vert. All right, so what are you thinking? You thinking 5 like this?
Can I choose what side?
Yes. Are you gonna choose that side?
That's the side I always do it on.
God.
That's a good workout. Run up.
Oh, I'm wearing the Crocs though, bro.
Crocs got good grip.
Are you gonna do some more skating?
Yeah,
Warming
probably
up?
a little bit more.
All right, well, when you're ready, I'll move over there.
All right, check this pressure.
Dang, so that's crazy. So the thing that makes these really, really bad is the wheels.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting that.
So in order of like badness, where would you rank everything? Like wheels, trucks, bushings,
Together? Oh, yeah.
deck, like what is the ranking from worst to best?
So, I would say the worst definitely got to be the wheels. Second worst, we're going with the bushings. Third worst, going with the trucks because they're plastic if you're skating street. Fourth, bearings. Fifth, grip. Sixth, deck.
And the deck is pretty bad, so
Yeah, the
it's
deck
saying a
isn't-
lot.
I mean, I don't really skate too much concave anyway, but the kicktails are pretty mellow. I don't even know what you call it. I'm not a skater. But yeah, there's like it's very mellow concave. There's like little to none.
Yeah.
But I usually skate my boards like that, so. All right, let's get it.
Body. That was like higher than me. This is Hyundai steel. Does that mean there's a Ferrari steel?
That'd be fire.
I feel like this kickflip Indy is gonna be harder than the 540 for you.
This isn't a kickflip indie.
Wait, what?
This is a heel flip accident on purpose flippy.
Heel flip accident on purpose flippy.
Yep.
I like that name more than the first name you gave it.
Yeah, just keep up coming. Can't talk.
Just go.
Yeah, okay.
Trying to finger flip?
Like I grab it halfway through the heel flip indie.
You are a sick individual.
All right, I have a proposal for when I try the 5.
Yes.
If I do back-to-back melon 5 into another grab 5, you owe me this emote.
The crab walk one? How do you want the crab walk emoji?
Fire! Oh, my arm!
So you do half heel flip indie, but you finish the heel flip indie by finger flipping it. Handle with care. All right, you got it.
I knew that was gonna happen.
Damn, you're gonna make him walk? Damn!
He didn't walk.
You're gonna make him slide and climb?
You're making him do a 540.
Dan, you're the worst. Laziness.
This is gonna be harder than the 540. I know it darn well.
That was insane.
That was off the Richter scale, bro.
The Richter scale, wow.
See, you're about to get it.
Holy crap.
Jay Dizzle, it is time for the $70 540. I really thought you were gonna have to change a few things here.
Same, we'll see. I'm gonna start on that side.
All right, be safe.
I got it. Okay.
You good?
We both almost died. Are you okay?
I'm not worried about me. Are you okay?
I thought I was gonna be okay for that try.
Woo! That was wild.
There we go.
That last flip around, it looked like you were gonna have to kick out.
Honestly, it felt like one of my better 5s for some reason.
That was insane.
Let's go.
What do you think, Dan?
That was crazy.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Bruh.
Not as hard as I thought. I was just getting past that one first try. That first try got me scared in the mind, but I just thought about it. Don't angle it as much. It worked, so W. Shout out to Walmart for selling below average boards. Change the wheels, change the bushings, change the trucks, change the bearings, change the deck, change everything. Because this thing
So
will
you
stop.
should just don't buy them.
Exactly. Buy a Braille complete instead on brailleskateboarding.com. It's gonna help you with your skating journey.
Well done.
So thank you all.
Okay, so with the change of taking the plastic off and changing the wheels, it has brought your total earnings down to $70.
That's still a lot of money.
So you have
That's
won
perfect.
$70. But Uzi, film this. We talked to the boss beforehand, and I was instructed that no matter how many things you changed, you're getting $100 no matter what. So it was all just a game. You win $100. Congratulations. Well done.
Yes.
Thank you for shredding a Walmart board in our vert ramp.
Thank you for giving me $100. I really appreciate it.
We got you. We'll show proof in the video too, so you guys aren't like, you didn't actually pay him. We pay him. Did you enjoy this challenge? Leave it in the comments below. If you want us to do more stuff like this with Walmart boards, with other members of the team, imagine Glow having to do a trick down the handrail on a Walmart board, swap everything out. That's what I'm talking about. There's some videos right there. Go check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.